day before Christmas, our goal is to highlight something in the office that we have available that you could, gift to someone, your loved ones, friends and family. And we're just going to be giving you different ideas on what you can do to give them the gift of health. And that's the most important gift of all. So today, what we're going to highlight are our wellness kits. Yep. And so, actually, let's put this one down because we'll talk about that in a minute. These are our wellness kits. We've had them available all winter. But what they are, we've got a prevention kit and we've got an attack kit. So these are things that you can come in and buy for your family. They're just different supplements. The first one is called Ion Nasal Spray, and so you can just spray this up into your sinuses. And you want to explain a little bit about that?
Yeah, basically Ion helps with leaky gut and leaky sinus. Some of the like glyphosate that's in our food permeates the lining of the intestine, causing leaky gut problems, and then that leads to basically immune dysfunction. So this is actually that Ion that you can drink, but it's in the form of a nasal spray. It's pretty neat because if you get like a big bottle, you can just take this cap off and then it's the same substance, so you can keep reusing it, so you don't have to keep buying these.
It's a really good preventative,
It's great. I mean, people have been on steroids and whatnot, and I just say just try that and see if it'll work, and they're able to do something healthy. It's not a medication, and keep their sinuses clear. In this Indiana weather where your membranes get irritated from all the changing in the temperatures, it goes from 50 to 20 and whatnot. So.
Okay, so that's one of the supplements in our prevention kit. We've also got Gold. Gold is a really good immune booster. So that is in there. And then also for the prevention, we have DD3, which has a vitamin D in it, and it has other good immune support in there as well.
It's got quite a bit of vitamin D. It's like roughly each pill is like 4,000 I use or 5,000 I use. So a lot of people don't take enough vitamin D, and we've seen studies where people are really susceptible to this virus when they have low vitamin D levels. So monitoring that, doing blood work, seeing where that's at, and then just taking it is a great idea.
Okay, so those are our 3 supplements in our prevention. For our attack, if you do get a virus, we have these available, these supplements in here. And
Once
so
again,
DD3, so that's a good one.
So when you're sick, you're just going to ramp up the dosage on that.
Right. And then we also have another supplement in here that, VIVI is great. We love VIVI. Anytime that we feel a sniffle coming on, if we just take some VIVI, it usually kicks it.
It's great for viruses.
Yeah. And then the last one is a newer supplement, but we love it. It actually has good zinc and vitamin C in it, and it has really good immune support in there as well. So, a whole combination of things. So those 3 supplements are for the attack if you do actually get a virus. So we've got those available in the office if you want to come in and purchase them for friends and family. Also, another thing that we are doing for the 12 days of Christmas, if you are a patient in our office, when you are checking out, you can come up and draw from our little bag, and we have all kinds of different certificates in there. We've had a lot of fun coming up with these. So you want to give some examples of...
So here's $5 off the supplements. Courtesy evaluation, which that's about a $250 gift.
Yeah, so you can give that to anybody who needs to.
There's a gift basket that has good gifts, so you get to draw from that.
Some of our favorite things we put together in a miscellaneous basket, so you can just pick
all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, so we're really excited to give those away the next 12 days leading up to Christmas. So you'll have to stay tuned for all of our videos that we're going to be presenting each day. You never know, we're going to just highlight all kinds of different topics, so look forward to those.
See you
all
tomorrow.
right, see you guys. Merry Christmas.